Confluence Health consists of two hospitals, Central Washington Hospital and Wenatchee Valley Hospital, that cover 30+ specialties for Wenatchee and our rural areas. We've been an Infor customer for quite some time. When we affiliated, we merged everybody onto the Infor products, so we had one standard platform to handle all of our accounting and supply chain needs. But really, it was making it usable for the staff. The platform we had, they struggled with just the usability. So as we started improving it, the functionality and their efficiency got a lot better, and they're a lot happier.
When I look at the products that we've used from just 5 years ago, it's like going from that 1990s look and feel of software and computers to a more modern day feel of things.
Part of the conversations with the Infor team was, what's our process and what's our ultimate goal and where do we need to be? We really needed to use the data we have, because we have a lot of data, and use that data to drive operations. By going to this route, going with a cloud-based system, one, we got an upgrade, two, it kept us current, and we weren't current. And it took a lot of stress off the team that we could just do our jobs and let somebody else handle all the logistics.
We do have mobile supply chain management, and that's an important part of our everyday business. We use that for supply management in our inventory locations and picking supplies for our clinical areas and delivering those supplies to them. It lets you look into your stock on hand levels, and for distribution, that holds a lot of value because there are times when questions arise in meetings that you need to supply an answer as soon as possible, and to have that at the tip of your fingers without having to pull out a computer is super valuable. Since being live on the cloud, we've been able to focus our analysts on much more valuable tasks for our end users. We were able to refocus our efforts to workflows and business decisions, and our team has just worked really well with all these changes, and it's made believers out of them. For me, the most important thing is having a system that meets all of your business needs and is adaptable to some of those business needs. Nobody's the same, but what we're all trying to accomplish is bringing better health to our patients in healthcare. And so having software that can be adapted to meet those needs is the most important, and that it's also user-friendly.
The Infor team has stayed engaged with us. They've given us relationship managers. They meet with us to do heat maps and roadmaps of where we need to go, and they show us the technology and what we aren't utilizing and how we can utilize it better. What excites me is being able to provide tools for our teams to be more efficient, more productive, and to help support the rest of the organization.
Infor is the biggest player in healthcare, and so they understand the business of healthcare.